When I do curly updos, I start here on the bottom, and I go in a bricklayer pattern. I know that I'm not going to tease the hair, that I am not going to be able to achieve that volume through teasing, only through curling. So that means if there is now no teasing involved, you cannot break any line of demarcation between your sections. So I have to be thoughtful when I do my curling and go in a bricklayer pattern to make sure that I don't have anything strong in between that is going to show later and I cannot break. So I start at the bottom and I go in a bricklayer pattern. When I get to this part of the head, at the crown, I do not continue this way because from here I cannot really see how I'm going to manage the hair. I want to start curling now from the front. And I will start with one and go again in a bricklayer pattern. And it's easier for me to see what I'm doing and how I'm controlling the hair. And let's talk about why your curls are not lasting. Okay? How many times you finish with a bridal party, you take your hot tools and you literally have to clean them because there is a deposit of burn product on your hot tools. Does that happen to you? Okay, that's number one reason why your curls are not lasting. Because the product actually never made it through the hair. It got burned on your hot tools because you do the spray and then you get into this. So that product actually never made it in the hair. And then what you're going to do when you're done, you're going to put a layer of stronghold hairspray, which is has 2 times more weight than a flexible or a medium. So you're just adding weight to those curls that have no product in them, which is just going to bring it down more later. So that's number one reason your curls are not lasting. Brush the product into the hair. Over-direct the hair. We're over-directing, which means we are not sitting with the curling iron on the roots. So that means I have to take care of those roots. Can you move to the left? To the left, to the left? Come on, Angelica. Okay. I have 30 seconds. Okay? So, if I'm not sitting with my curling iron on that, that means I have to take care of it before. I'm going to put an extra layer of hairspray on the roots. I'm going to brush the product into it, into the hair, taking care of the roots. More to the left. More, more, more. Good. Perfect. I'm taking care of the roots before. My curling iron is not going to sit there. So if I want that volume, I have to take care of those roots before. And then I go into curling. The volume of your roots, and use a curling iron, not a wand. The volume of your roots on those curls, it's equal with the distance from the section to where your curling iron is sitting. Meaning if your curling iron is away 2 fingers from the section, that's what volume you're going to get. If you're 3 fingers away from the section with the curling iron, that's how much volume you're going to get. So that's how you get the volume without teasing. And look at this. Would you think that we did this with a small curling iron? Look at the volume. Can you guys see? Look at that volume. Would you think we did it with this? So again, it's all about how far you're keeping your curling iron away from, and then you let them cool down. You're using a paste that has the texture of a body lotion. Anything that doesn't have an oil base, you're going to put that on your hands, you let that cool down, put that paste on your hand, and literally go and break. Not this way, in a circular motion. That way you clean them, you take the flyaways away, but you're not messing with the curls.